What if I told you that a simple t-shirt design could make you hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars online, without ever touching inventory? From anime fans to political movements, print on demand has turned everyday people into full-blown business owners. And today, I'll show you exactly how you can do it too, using Printful plus AI. This isn't theory. I'll walk you through how to start your own store, design your products, and even ride trending events to go viral. Let's dive in. Print on demand. Print on demand, or POD, is a business model that lets you sell custom products, like t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, without holding any stock. You just upload a design, and when someone places an order, the product gets printed and shipped for you. The best part? With tools like Printful, you don't need a warehouse or even a big budget. Combine it with a bit of AI magic, and you've got a passive income stream that runs almost on autopilot. Your success on platforms like Etsy depends heavily on your niche. Don't just sell random t-shirts. Pick something specific. Use ChatGPT or tools like Everbee to research what's trending. Look at what's selling right now. Anime merch, fitness quotes, wedding gifts, gamer humor, you name it. Ask AI. What are high-demand print-on-demand niches on Etsy this month? You'll get some solid leads without spending hours researching. Create designs with AI. Once you've picked a niche, it's time to create your design. You don't need to be a graphic designer. You just need ChatGPT, Canva, and any image generator. Here, I'm choosing the anime niche, currently very popular with titles like Demon Slayer, One Piece, and Naruto. I've selected a specific concept: weapon designs on t-shirts. If you want to start with the same concept, simply copy and paste the prompt I've provided in the description into ChatGPT. It will generate 4 unique designs. Now copy the generated prompt. I'm using Gemini AI for image generation, but you can use other tools like Leonardo, Midjourney, or Pixelmator. Okay, let's paste the prompt into Gemini AI. Here's our design. Download it. Now we need to enhance it. For this, I'm using Canva, my personal favorite, but you can use any tool you prefer. Upload the image, then go to the Apps section, search for Image Upscaler, and select it. Choose the image and upscale it. Here's the important part. For any print design, it must have a high DPI, dots per inch. Specifically, 300 DPI. Also, the color mode should be CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, and key black. CMYK is ideal for physical prints as it allows for more accurate color reproduction than RGB, which is used for digital screens. Canva offers all these features, which is why I use it for editing. Now go to Download, select PDF Print, and under Color Profile, choose CMYK. Then download your design. Your design is ready. Printful. Now open Printful. Sign up and answer a few questions. Then the homepage will look like this. They offer a wide range of products: men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, hats, accessories, home and living collections, mobile cases, and more. Okay, now let's go to the homepage. Here you'll find a complete guide on how to upload your design, connect an online store, and set up payment methods. Now let's upload our design. Click Start Here and select your product. You'll see multiple options like t-shirts, shirts, and more. Click on the t-shirt template. Choose a black t-shirt, upload your design, and adjust it if needed. At the top, you'll find an option to view your design from different angles: front, back, and sides. You can also upload your design on the back of the t-shirt. If you have a personal brand, you can add it here by selecting templates from the available options. Printful supports that too. And that's it. Your mockups are ready. Connect your shop. We've completed step 1, now let's move to step 2, connecting your digital store with Printful. Printful supports all major digital stores, as you can see here. For example, I'll choose Etsy. Printful provides a complete step-by-step guide on how to connect your store. That's it. Just connect your store and watch the results. You can also connect other platforms like TikTok Shop, Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, etc. If you want, I can make a detailed video on how to connect and set up an Etsy shop. Let me know in the comments. Optimize and publish. Before you hit publish, ask AI to help you with your product title, tags, and descriptions to make them SEO optimized. Prompt example. Write an Etsy title and description for a Studio Ghibli-inspired Cat Samurai hoodie. Keep publishing new products consistently, and Etsy's algorithm will start pushing your store organically. Real-world examples that made thousands. Still not convinced? After the attempted assassination of Donald Trump in Pennsylvania, t-shirts showing him raising his fist were sold in the thousands, globally. That's the power of event-driven pod. During the US-China trade tension, over 100,000 plus t-shirts were sold from China to the US, capitalizing on political humor and national pride. With every major anime drop, like the recent release of Sakamoto Days or The Beginning After the End, fans rush to buy merch. If you're fast, you can ride the trend. These aren't just stories. These are blueprints. Bonus. Here are 5 high-potential POD product ideas you can start right now. Custom wedding paper cups. Personalize with names and dates. Huge market in bridal parties and celebrations. Popular anime t-shirts. Design Ghibli-style or trending anime-inspired shirts. Matching couple t-shirts. Funny, romantic, or complimentary phrases. Great for Valentine's or gifts. Event-based designs. Political campaigns, viral moments, or protest slogans. Custom art merch. Let customers upload photos and use AI to turn them into anime or cartoon-style art. So, are you ready to launch your own print-on-demand business using just a laptop, some AI tools, and a little creativity? Start now, because trends don't wait. Like this video, subscribe for more AI plus business content, and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step tutorial for Etsy SEO or AI design generation. This is your sign to stop scrolling and start building.